How to turn on SafeSearch in Google Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Next, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the options that appear, tap on Settings. Under the Basics section, find and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Security section. Tap on Safe Browsing. You will see three options. Select Standard Protection. Now go back to the previous page. Scroll down and find Use Secure DNS, then tap on it. Next, select Choose Another Provider. Tap on the drop-down icon next to the Custom option. From the list of providers, choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. This will enable SafeSearch in Chrome. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.